Hola, Macas Italianos. Welcome back to another episode of Kasi Lifestyle Originals. It's a boy here, Zulu Ocean, back again with another one. Hey, yo, bro. First things first, man. Welcome to the channel. This is Kasi Lifestyle Originals. I go by the name of Zulu Ocean. Okay, guys. Shit, I'm shy. Okay, look. First things first, man. Yo, thank you for everyone who subscribed to the channel. Like, yo, like it really means a lot. Like we're at 854 subscribers. Like, yo, that means a lot. Like to everyone, to every new subscriber, thank you very much. Queen Journey, House for Happy, Felicity, Pribudu. Apologies, I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Dennis Papin, Bapeto Ulu, Asipanga, DJ Prank, Thibaut Fela, El Skiller, Rap Tiger, got him. Like everyone, man. And apologies if I haven't mentioned you, if you're a new subscriber. Yeah, I think I'll give you a shout out on the next video. But to every single person that has subscribed, thank you very much. Like, yeah, it really means a lot. Like, yeah, the list goes on, man. The list goes on. Like, thank you very much to everyone who has subscribed. So yeah, today we are going all the way to Nigeria. So let's just jump straight to what we're here for. Today we are going all the way to Nigeria, and we are going to be checking out Asake. You won't guess with who? Travis Scott. Hey guys, Asake and Travis Scott. Hey. It's too much, Joe. Asake and Travis Scott. Like, I did not see that one coming. Like yo, yo, like this one is just like, yeah, it's out there. Like, so Asake and Travis Scott released a track called Active, and yeah, it's from Asake's new album. And yeah, man, this is gonna be exciting, man. Like Travis Scott on Amapiano, it's gonna be, I don't know. We've already had Travis Scott on Amapiano with Tyler, and yeah, so, and he killed it on that feature, on that remix for the Water song. And yeah, so I don't know what to expect this time, you know, if he's gonna kill it again on an Amapiano beat or what. But you know, let's check it out, man. Let's check it out. Like, yeah, yo, like, to everyone who has subscribed, yo, please tell me where you from, what city you from. I'd like to get to know you more. Guys. Like, yeah, tell me what city you from. A lot of people are from Benin. Benin boys, we are here. Benin boys, we are here. Yo, a lot of people are from Benin. Josie, we are here, man. We are here. Josie, my hometown. Yeah. So yeah, man. Just let me know which city you from. And yeah, let me know what kind of music you guys vibing to there in your city, and I'll check now, you know, and maybe I might check out some of that music. Like, yeah. So yeah. But Benin, I'd like to come to Benin, I'd like to come to Benin. Like, oh wait, earphones. I need to take out my busted earphones. Like, hey, yeah, hey guys, hey, yeah, it's rough. Please subscribe so that I can buy new earphones, guys. Please subscribe, please. So that I can, you know, yeah, upgrade. I'm even using a busted elite ring light here. Like, hey guys, if you can see this ring light, it's like check this out. Like it's broken here. Like here, it's broken. You see my fingers going inside. Like, it's broken. Hey, it's rough, guys. Hey, it's rough. Hey, yeah. So, but yeah, it even has duct tapes. It even has duct tapes, guys. That's how, like, it's tied by duct tape. It's held together by duct tape. Hey, guys. Struggle is real, but we pushing, eh? Don't see me glowing, you know, but they say don't look like your problems. You see, I'm glowing, ne? But don't look like your. Okay, wait. Let's go. Let's focus. We're straying off. We're straying off from what we're here for. Asake and Travis Scott, Active. We're here for Asake Travis Scott Active. Sorry for training off the radio. Like I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go back. Let's go back. All right, Travis Scott and Asake.
Straight forward, I no get to kill it. Go yeah yo, go say go. 247 me a day yo. You know strong, make you do for day kill. Mungo na ori me day yo. Can't go, Moduro can't go. Oti beti moti sanle o. I've been active, I jam me sare o. Mo pe won sare o. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ jẹ́ ká jayé o. Ayé kan ló wà kò sáyé o.
Private jet, guys. Private jet. Have you ever been on a private jet? Have you ever been on a private jet? I've never been on a private jet. Have you ever been? If you ever been, tell me down in the description. Make me come join you. Oh. This sounds bad.
Yeah, this shit. Left your section of kind of shit. That ain't your bitch, that's bitch. You don't like it, you can suck dick. I just hopped off from the PJ, from the edge to occasion. Got a fetish for the money, yes sir. If she thick, then I wanna pay her. Bring more Naira, do an Asian. And I'm outside with the tribe. Gang activity outside. Please believe I done seen the other side. Remember all we had to be was alive. Now I got 20 V's in garage. Each house, beach house, overseas in the lodge. That was 30 MGs, every P I prescribe. You can see it in my eyes, don't bother me. I be in the streets on 10 when I'm out.
And if you wish me bad, I swear now back to center. She just love my come me low, give me a border. And if my success they disturb you, go the cover. If you no be money, no they call me, no disturbance. I'm alright, check your time, check calendar. I'm alright, check your time, check calendar.
Hey. Okay. Active by Asake and Travis Scott. Hey, I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's okay. Like, I feel bad for saying that. Like, cause this is Asake, guys. Asake always, like he always delivers, but this time, I don't know, guys. Like, it just didn't hit for me. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know. But if you disagree with me on the comment section, let me know it. You know, like the song is fine, but it's just that it's missing something. You know, it's like it feels like it's missing something. But like, yeah, and the beat itself, you know, it's dope. It's nice, you know, but it's not on my piano. You know. Yeah, it has the kick, the piano kick and lock drum, but it's not hitting. It's not hitting the amapiano sound, yeah. It had like it was like it was trying to mix amapiano with EDM, you know, with like electronic music, and hip hop, you know, like that club hip hop, you know, yeah, but yeah, did not land. It did not land. No, it did not land for me. For me, it did not land. But if you are a fan of Asake and you disagree with me, let me know why. Let me know why in the comment section. Let me know why. Like, yeah, I'm open to discussions. I'm open to discussions. Yeah, let's debate. Let's debate. But guys, let's be honest. This is like this is not it. No, it's not it, guys. Yeah, it's catchy. It's catchy, you know. Oh man, I'm empty, but nope. Maybe next time, Asake, bro. Maybe next time, you know. I actually like the one with Central C more than this one, you know. Like, yeah. But yeah, Travis Scott delivered though. Travis Scott delivered, you know. I feel like this sound actually was made. This beat was made to accommodate Travis Scott. I don't know if, like, guys, like, listen to me, Kev. Like, guys, like, come close. Like, I feel like it was, like, listen, like, I feel like it was, you know, this beat was made to accommodate Travis Scott, you know. I don't know. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think. Am I just overthinking it, you know? Like, cause it sounded more like a Travis Scott beat more than an Asake beat. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. But yeah, it's so yeah, that's my 2 cents right now on the song, man. Like, yeah. So that was Asake, Travis Scott, Active. Yeah, I will give this song a 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. You know, impressive. The music video though, a music video was solid, bro. The music video was fire. Like, the visuals are straight, like, flawless. The visuals are straight fire. So I'll give the visuals, I'll give the visuals a 10. You know, 10 out of 10. Like, smoke, fire. Nah, yeah, you know how it is, man. I know how it is. So, was this one nah or not? You know, was this nah or nah? This one was nah. One was not nah. You know, yeah. So, yeah. I think that's how we should rate songs from going forward. Is it nah or is it nah? This one was nah. It was nah. It was not nah. No, it is nah. You know when it's nah, like, yeah, that shit is nah, bro. That shit is nah, bro. But this one was not nah. This one was nah. So, but yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Do you guys? I'm pretty sure a lot of you will disagree with me, because yeah, you know, because he's your homeboy. But yeah, let's be honest, guys. Even your homeboy, he missed this time, you know. But let's not talk about that. Hopefully Asake delivers on the next one, man. Yeah, man. We should actually listen to the whole album. Yeah, maybe we'll find some diamonds there in the album. So we'll check out the album. We'll check out the whole album, and yeah, I'll do a reaction with you guys. Yeah. If you guys would like me to do like a live reaction, let me know in the comment section. Would you guys like to see me do like a whole live with you guys also commenting, like having just doing a live with all of you guys? Let me know in the comment section. I would gladly put that together. You know, I have time right now, unemployed, so I have a lot of time on my hands right now. Yeah, so yeah, you know how it is, man. Leave a like and subscribe. I go by the name of Zulu Ocean. If you're new to the town, subscribe. Thank you very much to everyone who's watching. Welcome to Kasi Lifestyle Original Reactions. Boom. So these are Makasi Italianos. Until another one. Oh yeah. Shoo.